Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com. Industrial workbenches with integrated tool storage. And brought to you by PaintedAutoBodyParts.com, the leading U.S. auto body parts online store. Dynabraid, the first choice for abrasive power tools today and tomorrow. And by Custom Autosound, the originator of classic car OEM fit radios since 1977.
Now your VIN, vehicle identification number, can tell you a lot about your vehicle. Welcome to this AMSOIL Tech Tip. Yep, we're talking about the VIN. Where's it located? Well, it can either be through the driver's side window dashboard there, you can look through and see it, or in the door jamb. But there's a lot to it. There's a lot going on in the VIN. You can see it all starts over here, but there's two places I want to look at. The 8-digit, that's the engine type that's important. You could have a 3.4 dual overhead cam, or you can have a 3.4 cam and block. So you want to look there to decipher what your engine is, and the 10th digit represents the year. And you can see here your 10th digit can go all the way through the alphabet numerically and start all over again. And you can tell exactly what year it is. But Len, AMSOIL made it even easier. Can you navigate and show us about our specific vehicle?
We sure can. Let's pick a vehicle here today. We'll just take a look. Let's just pick a random popular vehicle because we've got a tab right on our website. You click on it, it's going to ask you to enter the vehicle. So you could put in anything from a light truck, a car, motorcycles, ATV, UTV. We've got it all on there. So for today's purposes, we'll pick an auto, a light truck. Let's pick a later model. How about a 19? We'll pick a Chevy. And then we'll go ahead and let's pick a pickup truck with a 5.3 liter engine. And what'll happen is it actually pulls up the entire product line for this vehicle. So any of the oils that'll work, it has the quantities available, and then it also allows you to build a kit. So we've got a virtual kit there as well. So if you want a filter, you want the right amount of oil, you just click kit.
Well, this is huge, so we're not going back and forth to the auto parts store. Oh, I forgot this, I forgot that. Everything's there. What's actually located in the kit?
The kit will contain all the oil it needs, so you pick the type of oil that you want from our signature series, our high mileage oil, any one of the oils you can pick that works in this vehicle. You go ahead and click on it. The filter, everything is there that you need. Now, if you want to go further, you can click on the transmission, and we can find out what transmission it has, what products that we're looking for, and you can add it to your cart right from there. Very simple. Scroll a little bit further. Well, what do you know? There's your differential that pops up. Transfer case, it's all there. We figured make it as easy as you possibly can to get that product in the customer's hands.
Wow, bam, just that easy. You go to AMSOIL.com and try it out for yourself.
Lee McCown of Castlewood, Virginia is our PaintedAutoParts.com Motorhead of the Week, and Lee is a hero in my book, well, anybody's book for that matter. He's a disabled Afghanistan veteran and is a 31-year veteran police officer. Now, Lee says working on cars is therapeutic, and he tells us his love for old hot rods was embedded in his soul from the day he was born. Those are his words. Lee says he's only been able to work on his cars for a few hours here and there, but I'd say he's done quite well considering that. Just check out what's in Lee's garage here. The car that's closest to being finished, it's this great-looking 1967 Camaro SS RS 396. There's a 1926 Model T, a 1957 3200 pickup truck, a 68 C10 step-side truck, and a 1986 IROC Z28. And we can't neglect the 2003 Corvette Z06. It only has 30,000 miles on it. Can you believe that? Lee's about ready to do the cam and exhaust for a little extra punch. Thank you so much for your selfless service, Lee McCown. We are proud to make you our PaintedAutoParts.com Motorhead of the Week. Lee reached out to us at MotorheadGarage.tv, and you can do the same. Just tell us why you or someone you know should be our Motorhead of the Week. Look, you don't have to be a collector. You don't have to be a mechanic. You just have to love things that go. And oh, by the way, we've got to go, but we're going to have another episode of Motorhead Garage presented by DragonfireTools.com next week. We hope you join us then. Drive safely.